Hi, my name is Christian Kleinvin. I'm a sophomore here at Harper College, and my website is Consolation. We sell used video game consoles, and I came up with this idea because I was going to DePaul University for game programming or planning to go there, but I actually switched my major to just computer science now. So right now we're on the home page. We got the hero image, we got this sort of slogan box, then we have the navigation list, we have a drop down menu for devices. These are the ones we sell currently. Here we have a gallery. So Nintendo brings up the Switch, PlayStation brings up PlayStation 4, Xbox brings up Xbox One. Down here we have the footer. These all pop up and down. This is all done using CSS. So about, location, contact, social media. Social media, you hover over these and that's actually the after pseudo element being generated based on whatever link is in the image. So let's go to the about page. About, it's just a simple paragraph describing the company, but I use CSS columns to accomplish this layout and I thought it looked pretty nice. What you basically do is you say, I want 3 columns in this paragraph, and it generates 3 columns. So here's a Google map. Right now it's pointed at Harper College, but it would be wherever the address of the company is. History of games. This is a giant table of the different generations of gaming consoles, so the most popular ones. Goes from 1st to 8th. And I added a button so you could change the order. Right now it's in ascending order, so 1st, 2nd, 3rd. You can make it descending order, 8th, 7th, 6th. And right now the website only sells the newest consoles. It would ideally be expand to older ones as well. So PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch. Let's go to the Switch page. So here's a table of specifications. Here's a gallery of images. You can select between them. And here's a button to the form. PlayStation 4 page is very similar. The only difference is that there are different versions of the PlayStation 4. So there's different tables of specifications and a different image that gets associated with that. Same form button. Xbox is the same. There's 3 different Xboxes, so there's 3 different images and tables. So let's click the form button. So the special thing is, it's based on the query string. It selects the radio button for the Xbox. And based on what radio button is selected, there's a different selection list of options. And based on which option you select, it calculates the total based on a price that's in some object literal in the code. So there's different layers going on here, and that's why I'd say this is the hardest page for me to make, because there were, I don't know, 3, 4 different layers. There's the query string, there's the radio button, there's a selection list, and then there's calculating the price based on that. I also had to get it working with the reset button, so this gets disabled. And since it's a required field, you need to actually fill this out. So let's go to the confirmation page real quick. So it just says, thank you, the order is processed. And this is what happens when you submit the form. The page I like the most, I think just the home page. I like how the hero image is against this background. I like this sort of slogan box. But most of all, I like this gallery. I thought it was cool. I position these absolutely so they all appear when you hover. I used Alta Vista and I had no problems with it. The only thing I had a problem with was Form Buddy. For some reason, Form Buddy doesn't let you have credit card fields. So when I have all this credit card information, it was actually saying it's blocked by their terms of service. So I had to use a different provider, which has an ad on theirs. But It was okay. All right, I think that's it. Thank you.